So today what I'm going to make is some spaghetti with some roast vegetables. It's so easy, this one, and delightful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. By the way, vegetarian and vegan. So you can use any vegetable selection you want. Today I've got cauliflower, green beans, zucchini, bell peppers, mushrooms. Pretty much essential are your onions and tomatoes, and then garlic and the oregano that I'm using. Now, if you don't want to use oregano, you could use something like smoked paprika, rosemary, thyme, take it in another direction. That's up to you. I've got, you can see roughly equal amounts of vegetables here. Eggplants would work really nicely in here, celery, maybe some carrots. Like I say, up to you. I'm going with these guys. We've probably got there 3 cups of each vegetable. And these tomatoes are cut nice and chunky. Very simply, we're going to get this in a baking tray with some olive oil and salt and pepper. So what I need you to do now is get your oven on full blast. No matter what oven you've got, just get it on the highest temperature you can. We're going to kind of really roast these as fast as we can. Now, I'm using metal here. You could use ceramic or you could use glass. I think metal's probably better, but you can use them. Right, you can see I've got my vegetables there. I'm now going to drop in a lovely, maybe about a tablespoon of garlic, chopped. You can put it in whole if you want. The whole cloves in would be nice if you roast them. The oregano. Salt. Bit more. Some black pepper. And a nice amount of olive oil. I'm accused always of using too much oil. I probably do. Sexy glove is on. Let's give this a mix. And then we're going to pop this into a nice hot preheated oven for about 9 or 10 minutes. It's going to be really delicious, this. Really delicious. So our vegetables are in the oven, and while they're in there, get your pasta ready. I'm using spaghetti. I've got about 400 grams of spaghetti that I've cooked nice and ready. And then there's one other thing we're going to do, which I'll show you right now. Yeah, so what I've got here is I've got some tomatoes, like 3 regular sized tomatoes, cut really nice and small. A cup of raw onion, which we're going to put into the mix, again nice and small. I've got some black olives there. These are these beautiful Kalamata ones. I've taken the stones out. And some chopped flat leaf parsley. If you wanted, you could use maybe some fresh basil or something like that. So yeah, what we're going to do is once the tray comes out, we're going to add the pasta and this kind of, fresh salsa type thing in the mix, and it's done. It really is good. Okay, so beautiful roast vegetables. If you want them a bit more done than that, that's up to you. I'm happy just there. Now your pasta. My pasta was cooked earlier, so it's cold. So what I've done is I put this into a colander, and I've got a nice kettle or a lot of boiling water, and I poured it over, so the pasta is now hot. What we're going to do is we're going to drop that in, and then we're going to start adding our kind of cold salsa stuff. So I've got the tomatoes there, beautiful. The onion. The chopped parsley. And those olives. Super happy with that. Right, the tray's still hot, so I need to hold on to it here with a cloth. And then what we need to do is get this mixed in. I'll be back in a couple of minutes once I've given it a nice little mix up. Now, if you want, you can just put this straight onto the table, center of the table, and everyone can dig in and grab what they want. But for me, I'm going to get this on a plate so it just looks a little bit more beautiful. Okay, and there you go. Roast vegetable spaghetti. Really nice and fresh, vegetarian, pretty healthy, and vegan. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the Thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.